Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel and thank you so much for clicking into this video. This one is brought to you by Sandron Available Homes and Properties Management, and today we are highly privileged to journey with you Kiambu, specifically Kiambu Road, and we are bringing to you this luxurious, beautiful, cozy and uniquely spacious 4-bedroom townhouse for sale. As you can see, it's modern, and so this house is in a gated community of 6 units, and it's coming in this beautiful garden which is well kept. And so I want to show you the outside of the house and also the inside of the house. So as you can see, this house is coming with a detached servant quarter and laundry area. This is where we have our laundry area and our servant quarter. Yeah, so this is how it looks like from behind, and we have that beautiful balcony over there. I'll be showing you when we are in the house. Yeah, so this is pretty beautiful, and all units have been sold out. We are only remaining with only one unit available, and I'll be showing you the neighborhood. So this is the servant quarter. The construction is still ongoing, and that's why there are still some things inside, and the house is not yet cleaned. So this is the servant quarter. It's detached, and it has its own wardrobes and the washroom as well. And so as you can see, this is how the house looks like from behind, and you can walk around your house. Yeah, so that's just an overview of the laundry area and the servant quarter. Now let's proceed and have a look at the other details of this particular townhouse. Yeah, as I told you, construction is still ongoing, so yeah, there are still some people inside doing the finishings. Now, as you come in the house, we have this beautiful living room, and it has that beautiful door opening to the garden. And also we have these beautiful windows allowing in more natural lighting, and we have a very beautiful gypsum. I love the finishing of this particular house. So on the other side here, we have our dining area, which has a good natural lighting as well and spacious. And we have semi-open plan kitchen, and that's our kitchen. As you can see, it's pretty spacious with good storage cabinets, and I can show you from the other side. So this is the door to the kitchen, and we have these beautiful storage cabinets. And please also note that this kitchen is coming with fitted sorry, that's the pantry area. Yeah, I was saying it's coming fitted with microwave and cooker, and we have those cabinets which are spacious, and we can see that's our kitchen. I just shown us a few minutes. Now let's proceed. So we have 4 bedrooms, all ensuite, but we have our guest washroom here. This is our guest washroom. That's our guest washroom. Yep. Now this is our first bedroom. All rooms ensuite with the good natural lighting and large windows allowing in more natural lighting. So we have this room with these beautiful storage cabinets, and we have wardrobes. Then we have this washroom here and the cubicle shower and that sink. This is the cubicle shower. That's the cubicle shower. And now let's proceed and have a look at the other rooms upstairs. These are the other rooms. Well, this house is also coming with this extra room here, which can be family TV area, and it is also spacious enough with good natural lighting. And it's coming with this beautiful balcony over here. This is the balcony giving you good views of your neighborhood. Yeah, so it's giving you good view of the neighborhood. Those are your neighbors. Construction is still ongoing. I told you there are only 6 units, 5 sold out, 1 available, and it's this one which I'm bringing to you. Now let's have a look at the second bedroom. This is the second bedroom. They are more or less the same, and we have that large window, and we have these beautiful storages here, and it's this is the washroom and the bathroom with that beautiful sink, and it has a dressing mirror. Yeah, that's the cubicle shower. That's the cubicle shower. And now this also is coming with a balcony, which brings in amazing views. So let me show you the balcony. This is the balcony, the one that you are viewing from behind. You are seeing from behind, sorry. Have a look at the views. Oh my goodness. The place to be. Now, let's proceed and have a look at the third bedroom. Welcome to the third bedroom. As usual, good natural lighting, large windows, beautiful storages. You see those wardrobes? Very beautiful. Quality materials used by the developer. Yeah, so we have this washroom there, and we have a cubicle shower over there, and yes, those are the storage, oh sorry, the wardrobes. Now here comes the most beautiful and spacious room, which was our master bedroom with extra wardrobes. See, have a look at that. That's the master bedroom. And then we have the washroom and the bathroom. It's coming with both jacuzzi. That's the provision for jacuzzi. It's not yet kept, but it will be there. And then we have the cubicle shower, and we have that sink, and amazing. I love this. I love the space. Have a look at that room. Talk about the balcony. Wow, that's the balcony. Have a look at the garden from the balcony. That's from the master bedroom. Amazing. Located in a very cool, quiet place. Security is on top notch. Those are extra storages. Wow. Wow. Now, and the last part that I'm showing you is the terrace. Hey, you know what? If you have a family event, you can host it here freely. Have a look at it. We have this extra space here. It can be your library, your office. I don't know. Have a look at the terrace. Very spacious. Amazing views. Beautiful. We also have bathroom and washrooms here. When you have your events with your guests, you can do mbuzi choma, and then we have that part where you can store the storage. It's coming with 45,000 liters storage water tanks. Yeah, and then that is the views. You can see your neighborhood freely.